Alright, so I just got my new microphone. Super excited about it. It is really unevenly weighted, so I keep almost dropping it. Yeah, I'm gonna open this up and check it out. Right. Alright, so it's got the foam protecting it, a nice little happy card. So here is the microphone. Really nice. Okay. This is where it screws in. Nope. Here is the USB plug. And a really munched muffler thing. That's a little... Some more light here. It's pretty mangled up. Alright, so this screws in here. Beautiful. So all set up. Gonna test it out. Alright, so this is me talking into my brand new microphone. This is what it sounds like. I did a little test to make sure it was working, and from what I heard, it sounds really great, and I definitely noticed a difference. My other microphones really pick up a lot of ambient noise in the room. I have just the little lavalier microphones that when I record it on my phone, and sometimes it doesn't even record using the microphone, it'll just record using my phone, and I don't realize until I've already finished recording, and then the audio is not great, so it's really frustrating. And then I also, even when it is working, I'm recording the audio separately on my phone as well as recording the video on my DSLR like I am now, and I'm having to import both of those things to my computer, so it makes just making content a lot more time consuming than recording it directly into my desktop. That's one less thing that I have to import to my computer in order to edit, and I also think that it sounds a lot better. I also don't have to fiddle around with cords, like clipping it to my hoodie or my shirt, whatever I'm wearing. So I don't have to fiddle around with that. The cords are making a noise. I had a really big problem with the extension cord on my lavalier microphone. It has a really bad, like, high-pitched noise that always happens and just makes the audio almost unusable. So yeah, now my audio troubles are hopefully over. I also like feeling super official while talking in this. It's also going to be great for Zoom calls because my audio is almost always really horrible on Zoom calls. So finally I have something that works with my desktop so that I can actually have a Zoom call on a desktop and be legible to other people. Really well made, strong. I'm really happy with it. You can adjust it all different ways. You can raise it up. Right now it's at the perfect level. The only maybe potential downside is that it does have to be really close to your mouth, otherwise the audio level is really low. But for me, that's not a problem. I like having it close to my mouth. Like I said, I feel really official, so I feel like a real podcaster. So really excited about this purchase. It was about $80 on Amazon. Check it out.